No.
Hi everybody, Justin here working on the project What Affects the Crater Size. My first thought was, okay, clearly the weight of the object that we dropped is going to affect the size of the crater, so instead I decided to explore how density affects the depth of the crater, and that is my driving question. So I have here 3 spheres. All of them have approximately the same weight, but clearly different sizes. So the first sphere weighs 56 grams. The other 2 weigh exactly 50 grams. That was the closest match I could find, and hopefully it will be good enough to show the important role that density plays. So I've measured a distance of 2 meters, which is approximately here, and I will drop the first sphere now and check out what happens. Okay, so now I just need to measure the depth of the crater created. So I'll run my leveling device across the diameter, adjusting for the thickness of this ruler coming now. And when I get down close in, I find a depth of 1.6 centimeters. So, let's see what happens with the middle side of it. So now, again extending to the height of 2 meters. I'm dropping. And we'll check out the results. Again, the diameter adjusted for the width of the ruler, and going down to measure. And I find a depth of, well, about 1.7 centimeters. So just 1 centimeter deeper than the first sphere that I used. And now, the third one, the smallest one, I'm going to extend to the 2 meter height and let it fall. And as you can see, this one seemed to penetrate a little bit more, a lot more. So let's get in there and check it out. So going down, and wow, about 2.8 centimeters deep, the depth of the crater. It's interesting to note the difference between these 2 densities was not as great as the difference between these 2 densities, because the weight also went up a little bit. So this object here had the greatest difference in densities, and it really produced a much deeper crater. Thank you very much.